The Sign-ups feature in Blooms is where you can request supplies and help from parents easily. To create a sign-up, navigate to the Add or Create button and select Volunteer Help. From here, you can add items and parents by simply tapping on each section. Here you can enter what specific item, job of the volunteer, and number of items, people needed accordingly. To add details about the task, item, simply click on the 3 dots on the side. After clicking Next, you'll be greeted by this screen. Here you can change the title, location, time of the event, add more notes, and also push a notification at a specific time. If your event happens in a pattern often, you can easily repeat the same event on specific days. You can even set it to repeat only for a number of times or till a specific date. When selecting recipients, it is recommended to select all members of the class, as this will invite current members and members that might be added to the class in the future. Once you are done with all the details, you can add an email-specific message. Clicking Send will create the sign-up sheet and will notify the parents. To view the sign-ups sheet, simply navigate to the Sign-ups tab. To look into the details, click on the Sign-ups sheet. Parents can sign up for the task or the items and notify you the quantity they can bring. If a parent has talked to you in person, you can add them yourself. Hopefully, this helps you easily request parent volunteers. For more help, please visit the Blooms customer service.